Stop what you're doing and have a look at this. Hello and welcome to the Treasured Page. I'm Melanie, and on any other occasion, this is our quiet crafting space. But today, I just wanted to acknowledge that the channel has hit 2,000 subscribers. That means 2,000 of you have found fun and value here with me at the Treasured Page in our quiet crafting space. And whatever that means to you, whether you are learning new techniques on art and crafts and paper intrigue, that's brilliant. And if you are just tuning in for some quiet time to unwind and relax, I am absolutely welcoming you all here. So if you are new to the channel, please have a look at some of the other videos so that you can see what we're all about. And to my existing and long-term subscribers, I thank you so much for sticking with me, watching my video and commenting and just generally being there with me through the journey that is the Treasured Page and all that we can achieve together. So yes, they are old vintage buttons, and these come from my grandma's button tin, passed down from generation to generation, although they are plastic. They're very fun, and they just made out that nice. You know, I've been spending ages trying to get the two just right. So I just wanted to stop, pause, take a moment to thank everybody for being with me, for hitting the 2,000 subscribers. Obviously, it is a milestone within the YouTube platform, and it's a nice moment to just go, wow, you know, we got there, and this is worthwhile what I'm doing, because I need to know that. Otherwise I'm just sitting here essentially in a room all by myself talking to myself. But now when I see something like this and I read your comments, I know that I'm not alone. I am not talking to an empty space. My work and my words are resonating around the world. One of the other big things that I've heard from you, which I wasn't expecting at all, because there's several things that I wasn't expecting, is first of all is the calmness that I bring to your crafting session when you're putting the Treasured Page on in your own space. How calming that makes you feel. So I wasn't expecting that. And the other unexpected thing is that my voice is something that you have really commented about more than anything, in fact, and it's come across so strong that it is my voice that you like. And so I think, well, that is super interesting. And if I've got it, maybe I should be flaunting it. And I have been toying with the idea of starting up a podcast and to have that as a weekly feature. And it would be on a different platform for which I would give you the link to. So that I honestly, if I hear it from just one more person that I have a voice that they want to listen to, I think I'll have no other choice, because if I can help others, that's exactly what I set the Treasured Page up to do, is to help others and to offer kindness and support in the same way that I have found from other YouTubers in the junk journaling community and the journaling community. So if I can offer that to others, then I absolutely would love to do that. So yes, if you think a podcast would be worthwhile and hear a little bit more about me and my story and my crafting endeavours, my life in the UK, then let me know, and I think I can have some craft room rambles and chatty musings and some stories and things. You would be able to listen to me, and if that just gives you a quiet space, a little time to yourself with a kind person speaking to you, if I can offer that, I'd absolutely think that that would be the way for me to go, so that I can tell my stories, which I sometimes find is challenging when I'm trying to craft. It's, you know, you've got your head round something where you're trying to make and you're thinking of what you're doing, and then sometimes I get a bit muddled with what I'm talking about. So it would be a nice relaxing thing for me to be able to offer, to just sit and connect with you without having to worry about the crafts and getting that all to look right, because it's just two sides of my brain trying to work at the same time. So yes, let me know if you think a podcast would be of interest, because I can certainly ramble on for as long as you'd like. Okay, so what I wanted to do really here is to say thank you so much. And we have hit the 2,000 subscribers in the 9th month of the year, so we are in September. So I'm going to offer, as I did before, 9 giveaways. The difference here is that the items will not be bulky and they will all be flat. Because I woke up with the 2,000 subscribers and it kind of caught me a bit unawares, to be honest, I have been working to put together some fun packs for you. And I've got here some goodie bags. So this is what I'm going to give away. I'm going to give away goodie bags. They're not finished. But I have been putting them together, and what will be in them is beautiful papers and ephemera and some embellishments. So they are going to be interesting paper scraps from my craft table to yours, and world papers. So I've got some Chinese papers, Japanese papers, I've got Italian papers, and I've got German lithographs, I've got a giant paperclip. I'm going to go through it all with you so that you can see exactly what you'll get. You'll also get each a beautiful, I think they're sweet, a beautiful little enamel blue butterfly from the treasured page. So that'll come out to you as well to add to your journal. So yeah, they're goodie bags, 9 goodie bags that I'm giving away, guys. So if you'd like to take part in that, I will go through on Friday exactly what I'm sending so you can see. So I haven't finished stuffing them, but I'm well on my way. So you can see there, they're all going to come in a nice glassine bag. There's going to be a 1920s postcard in each of them, all different, and they will be of architecture, so beautiful buildings from Europe, and there will be some other vintage ephemera in there, as well as some washi tape stickers and some handmade papers. So all things to play with and craft with. There's a library cards that are blank that you can add and embellish, and so yeah, lots of things. So we'll go through one of the packs on Friday when I've fully finished making them up. But if you'd like to take part in the giveaway, you need to do the next 2 things. You need to leave a comment below on this video and let me know that you'd like to take part in the giveaway for the 2,000 subscribers to the treasured page, and with that comment you need to add your country that you live in. And thank you very much to Rach and Bella, who have sent through a kit which they have put together with Journals in Time. The lovely Rose from Journals in Time. Rach and Bella have got their Full Friends journal kit out, and they've sent that to me for free so that I can have a little play. So I shall be looking at that when I do some more autumn crafts. So I've now got some nice patterns and things, and they have got 30% off all of their kits at the moment. So that's for you guys as well if you would like to have a look at their Etsy shop. I'll leave a link below. So Rach and Bella Crafts have got 30% off. There we go. There's 9 chances there at a treasured ephemera pack goodie bag. So yes, so write in with your comment and your country. Give me a thumbs up, and also as a little request to help the channel along, if you could also watch another video, if you're new here, watch some other videos and give me a thumbs up there as well, or a comment. That's wonderful. I will be announcing the winners on Friday. So once you've got your details down, those comments will be used in a comment picker on my phone, and we will have a look at who has won one of the 9 giveaway goodie bags that I shall be offering, and then I will send them out all over the world, don't mind where they're going, and we can just all have a bit of fun with those. So that is what's happening, guys. I can't thank you enough for being with me, and what I shall be doing now is getting on with making some specimen cards using the pressed flowers that I did earlier on in the week. And also, if you've been following along with the leather making using tea bags, this is the one that I did on camera. This is the scented glue, and then I have added a lot of paint. Well, you haven't seen me add paint to this particular one, but you did see it when I made the purse. So if you'd like to see how I have done this, I've got the footage and I will be putting that up, and we will be making something from this faux leather tea bag paper. But just to report to you now, I used some essential oil, and it just smells absolutely amazing. It's sort of like wafting around here. So if you're not sure how to do that and you haven't caught up on the leather making, then there will be another video to show you exactly how I got this colour tone, which is different from the darker one that I did before. And that is tea bags and paint, really, and some ink. So if you've got those things in your stash, then there's no reason why you couldn't have a go. Thank you so much for all of your support, and I'm now going to get on and make another video. So thanks, guys, and above everything else, just slow down and make crafting time for you. Bye bye now.